Sites and welcome back to my channel SciTech, and today I'll try to talk about the review of the Realme Buds Q2 after using 48 hours. Yes friends, it's been kind of using 2 days continuously. I'm trying to use the Realme Buds Q2 only, and in this video I'll try to talk about the sound quality, battery life and the comfort of using this kind of Realme Buds, and what are the extra features you can actually expect by using the Realme Link application. So this video will be perfect review for the Realme Buds Q2 after using friends. So in case if you're planning to buy the Realme Buds Q2, so try to watch the video till end of the video. You know me, I'll try to describe each and every small details as well. So let's get started friends with the first thing is the connectivity. So in terms of the connectivity, the Realme Buds are really very fast in terms of the connectivity friends. As soon as you open the case, the phone which is already connected previously will be automatically connected, as you can see. That's it. You don't need to even take out the earbuds. So it's automatically connected. And if you try to use the Realme Link application, that's the added bonus advantage, because the Realme Link application you can actually see what is the charging case, how much battery percentage it is, and left and right side how much percentage individual, as you can see friends. That's a fantastic thing. So try to download the Realme Link application and try to enjoy this kind of flexibility. That's the one thing which I can definitely advise you. So in terms of the connectivity, no issues, zero issues with this Realme Buds Q2 till now, no problem at all. So in this 2 days of usage, I did feel really fast. Connectivity is really good. So next thing about the sound quality. So sound quality is fantastic friends. I did not expect this much of sound quality in this Realme Buds Q2, to be frank, but really it was really good. So by using this noise cancellation, you'll get really good effect. Not only that, I did like this bass boost plus effect and the volume enhancer. So this fantastic friends using this kind of volume enhancer options overall. So when I compare with the other earbuds like the maybe Duopods A25 or other Soundcore Life Note, which is Soundcore Life Note, which I do have. So when you compare with those, I did feel the sound quality is really good in this one. If you try to use these options, if you don't use these options, then definitely it will be kind of close to normal. But I think sound, it's blocking really good amount of sound. That is what one thing I can definitely say. The surrounding sound is definitely blocking in this kind of Realme Buds Q2. So in the sound quality, fantastic. And gaming mode, I did upload a video on the gaming mode as well, so make sure to check that video in case if you have any other doubts. It's working really perfect without any kind of issues. And battery life. Battery life is another thing which a lot of users they do concern. In my testing, the battery life came up to close to 6 to 6.5 hours. Yes, I'll try to upload the video as well where I did upload where I did continuously testing. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. I'll try to upload maybe if possible today or tomorrow. So definitely stay tuned for those videos. But overall the battery backup I am getting about 6 hours. Yes friends, 6 hours using with maximum settings. Noise cancellation, bass boost effect, volume enhancer. Yes, so this is what my battery life I'm getting. I'm not sure how others are getting, but in my testing this is what I did find out. I'll try to do the side-by-side battery draining test as well, comparing with the other earbuds, particularly the maybe I'll try to compare with these earbuds, because these are priced at around 1200 rupees. So even the like Soundcore Life Q2 and I think Soundcore Life Note, which is priced at around 1800 rupees, I'll try to compare with those later on. But overall the sound quality is really good, and the codec support system is also really high standards. As you can see, you are getting about AAC codec in this phone, which is a high quality audio which you can actually get in the Realme Buds Q2. That's also another fantastic thing you are having in this kind of option. So overall friends, in terms of the weight, it's not much. It's only 4 grams, that's it. So it's not much you can actually get, so you won't even feel you're wearing this kind of earbud. That's fantastic. And the voice quality is also really good. I did do a couple of voice calls using this kind of earbuds, and during that time other person was able to hear my voice really pretty good without any issues. Yes, so only because of these earbuds I did make a call. So that is the reason I was able to judge the voice quality. So voice quality also fantastic. No issues in terms of my voice hearing or in terms of the other receptor, other person's voice hearing. So no issue in terms of the voice quality as well. So well friends, this is my complete review about using the Realme Buds Q2 for the 48 hours usage. So I would give the rating up to close to out of 5. I can definitely give 4 out of 5 the rating. Only the price is slightly bit higher. I can definitely understand the price is slightly bit higher when compared with other earbuds, but it's definitely kind of worth it. Yes, the battery life and the very easy of the connectivity is pretty fast. Yes, it's pretty fast friends. The connection is, it doesn't take much time in this Realme Buds Q2. I did not imagine like this, because in other earbuds when you try to open the case, they won't connect. You need to take them outside, but only in the Realme Buds it will connect whenever you open the case. That's fantastic. So thank you friends for watching this video, and overall you do have the different options where you can enable double tap, triple tap and touch to all, and it's also working really good, touch to all and double tap, so no issues even in those touch issues as well. In case if you're planning to buy this earbud, so make sure you use my links in the comment section, which I'll be trying to pin, so you can use my links to buy the Realme Buds Q2 and try to support me friends. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates on this Realme Buds Q2. Definitely I'll try to do more and more in-depth videos on this one. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.